Hello, today's topic is on MRIs. MRI is one of the multiple modalities in medical imaging. Other examples would be radiography, sonography, and computed tomography. What's so great about medical imaging is that it uses both science and technology for diagnostic purposes. MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. The patient is often placed into a gantry that looks like this, and a strong magnet is used to create clear cross-sectional images that look like this.
How does a magnet create images?
Well, our bodies are mainly made up of water. The magnet is able to create very detailed images because of the hydrogen atoms in our body. The proton in the hydrogen atom acts like a magnet. When the magnetic force from the MRI is on, it attracts the protons and causes them to all line up. The magnetic field is then disrupted, and the hydrogen atoms spin back to realign to its original position. As it's realigning, the atoms are giving off energy. Some atoms may give off energy in a longer amount of time depending on how thick and dense the area of atoms are. This energy is absorbed into a detector within the machine. Since different areas are realigning at different times, the detector can create an image that shows the different parts in our bodies.
Do MRIs hurt?
MRIs do not use ionizing radiation, so they don't harm you. However, you might feel a bit uncomfortable because of how loud the machine is. The sounds might be alarming, but that's just the magnet doing its job. Though the procedure itself should not hurt you, an MRI machine can be dangerous if safety precautions are not followed. The strength of a magnet is measured in the unit Tesla. A regular magnet you would put on your fridge is about 0.001 Tesla, and an MRI magnet is 1.5 Tesla. The MRI magnet is about 20,000 times greater than the Earth's natural field. The magnet is always on, and it's so strong that it can cause metal items to go flying across the room. That's why it's important to follow safety measures, like ensuring you don't have any metal piercings or jewelry on before entering the room.
Why can't we use MRIs for all imaging?
MRIs can take very detailed images of almost everything in the body, but it's mainly used for imaging of the brain, spinal cord, and even tumors and torn ligaments. The reason why we don't use MRIs as often is because of how long it takes. MRIs can take up to 30 minutes to an hour or even longer. This is because the machine is collecting multiple images to merge into one very detailed image. If you move during an MRI procedure, you might have to restart the whole process. Since it is a tedious procedure, it's not ideal in most situations and not as fast as getting an X-ray or CT scan. This concludes today's topic on MRIs.